Welcome to No Filler Fixes. So your Ninja Combi is showing an add pot error message? Let's fix it right away. We'll start with the simplest solutions first and work our way up to the more complicated fixes if needed. First, check if the cooking pot is properly seated in the base. The add pot error appears when the pot isn't detected. Remove the pot and reinsert it firmly, ensuring it clicks into place. Next, inspect the sensor under the pot for obstructions. Food crumbs or debris can block the sensor that detects the pot. Turn off the unit, unplug it, and carefully clean the sensor area to ensure it moves freely up and down. After that, test the sensor by pressing down on it gently without the pot. If the sensor doesn't respond or feels stuck, it may need cleaning. Use contact cleaner on the sensor to remove any dirt or grime that could be interfering with its function. If the issue persists, ensure the pot itself isn't damaged. A warped or misaligned pot may not trigger the sensor properly. Inspect the bottom of the pot for any visible damage or wear and replace it if necessary. And there you go. Your Ninja Combi should now recognize the pot and stop showing the add pot error. If these steps don't work, there could be a deeper issue with the internal sensor or wiring. We've added a link to the user manual at the top of the video description for more guidance, or you can reach out to customer support for further assistance.